Hey, what's going on, guys? This is your boy C Will, back to you with another video. And man, I was able to pick up the iPhone XR today from Verizon. Man, I'm super excited about what I'm gonna be able to show you all today in the video. We're gonna do a real quick unboxing, but before we get into that video, I definitely want you to follow me on all forms of social media to be able to keep up with what we're doing. All things tech on this channel. We also dabble into photography, motion graphics, and things of that nature. But also, if you would like to support the channel, please check out my Patreon page. You should see that pop up on the screen real soon here. You know, definitely, I appreciate you, everything that you do for helping us out, and let's get into the video. All right, guys. Back to you with another video today. Look what we have here. I finally pulled the trigger out of much debate. I was thinking about getting a Pixel 3. I was thinking about getting the XS Max, and then I was looking at the iPhone XR, and guess what I have? The product red iPhone XR. And definitely, let's get into this video, and we're just gonna do a quick unboxing. All right, so as you can see here, we have the red, and let's go ahead and open up this box. And plastic comes off so smooth. And let's open this up. And see here, we have the special product red information here. And man, look at that. Oh my goodness. Now that is beautiful, I must say. Apple does an amazing job with their products. Man, that is awesome. So of course, you know, we got the headphone buds, we got the power cable, you know, your lightning cable, we got the block, and I go ahead and sit that over to the side here. So the one that I have here is the 128 gigabyte version. It comes in 3 different versions, the 64 gig, 128 gig, and 256 gigabyte version. I have the 128 gigabyte version. I think that's enough storage pretty much for any phone, but it's definitely totally up to you. I went with the iPhone XR because it's actually the best value for the money. This version is actually running for $799. It's definitely a big difference from the price of the XS and the XS Max. This does have a 6.1 inch screen. And speaking of the screen, that's definitely something I'm going to get into in the full review of the phone. There's a lot of videos out there that are giving the XR screen a lot of flack. So we're definitely going to test the actual panel of the screen to see if it's as good or as bad as what people say it is. Of course, it has the beautiful red design. The size around this one is aluminum. On a XS and a XS Max, it's actually made out of stainless steel, but I do like the aluminum. It gives a little bit more texture, a little bit more grip. And also just taking a look at the screen does look great to me. You know, I'm not for sure exactly the reason why they was giving it a hard time, but we're definitely going to test that. We're also going to test out the camera, because on the XR, it only has one camera on the back. So we're definitely going to be able to test some videos on that. I will also be testing out the Galaxy Note 9, which is my daily driver. And we're going to be looking at the difference in between those two as far as the actual video capability and the pictures and everything. But hey, like I said, this is going to be just a short video. And like I said, got a good deal on the phone. The phone looks great. We're going to get into the rest of the phone during a full review, so stay tuned to that video, and I'll talk to you soon. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video all the way through. Hope you've seen some good stuff here. And like I said, in the next videos, we're going to be doing a full review of the iPhone XR, and definitely we'll take it through the places. We'll go through things for, you know, camera comparisons, video, everything about the screen of the phone, the panel, and everything. So definitely make sure that you hit the bell, hit like, hit subscribe if you like what we're doing, and I'll see you in the next video.